this room was burning, I wouldn't even notice, 'cause you've been taking up my mind with your little white lies, little white lies. You say you're a good girl, but I know you would, girl, 'cause you.
Hi. Charlotte here on Keep the Camera Rolling. I was not trying to be creepy, I'm like that, so you're gonna have to get used to it, so just warning you. Anyways, first video. Anyway, not first video because I'm Thursday. You know what I mean? I'm so excited for this collab because I've tried a collab before, didn't work out. So this week's theme is tags, and I'm doing the 20 animal noises kind of tag. Self-explanatory, people. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Quiet. 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 Quiet, 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 quiet. Oink, oink. It's not working for me. So there you guys go. I didn't do 20 noises because I felt like the video was already going too long and I didn't want to bore you guys, but that's my impression / noises of some animals. I got it from Connor Franta, and yeah, some of them are from Connor Franta if you're gonna comment me on that, but I guess I'll see you next week on Keep the Camera Rolling. Bye! Bye!